In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly password. Whether you're boosting your security or simply updating your account details, changing your password regularly is a good habit to get into. So let's get started with a clear and straightforward guide to keep your Calendly account secure. First things first, let's navigate to the Calendly homepage. You can do this by typing calendly.com into your browser's address bar. The page that opens is your gateway to scheduling heaven. But today we're focused on security, so let's move on. Once you're on the Calendly homepage, you'll need to access your account. Look for the login button. It's usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login details. However, if you've connected your account to Google, you'll see an option that says Continue with Google. This is your shortcut to logging in without having to remember another password. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be redirected to a Google login page. Here, all you need to do is select the Google account you've linked to Calendly. It's a straightforward process. Just click on your preferred account. After selecting your account, Google might ask for your consent to continue. This is a standard security measure. If you see a continue button, click on it to proceed. Now that you're logged in, let's head straight to the nerve center of your personal settings on Calendly. Typically, after logging in, you'll land on the dashboard, but for our purpose, you're going to click on your profile picture or name in the top right corner. This action unfolds a menu where you'll see several options. From the unfolded menu, choose Profile. This option helps you access in-depth settings related to your account. Clicking on Profile will redirect you to a new page. Here you'll find all the nuts and bolts of your Calendly account, but we're specifically interested in the login preferences. Look for it and click on it to proceed. The login preferences page is crucial for what we're about to do. If your account is connected to Google, which is likely why you're here, you'll see an option to unlink it. Doing so is essential because it allows you to reset or create a new password for logging directly into Calendly without relying on Google. Upon clicking unlink, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Don't worry, this is another standard security procedure. Confirm that you want to proceed and the link between Calendly and Google will be severed. After unlinking your account from Google, you'll be prompted to set up a new password. This is where you can beef up your security. Choose a password that's both memorable for you and strong enough to deter unwanted access. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols works best. Make sure it's something unique and not used on other websites. Once you've chosen your new password, enter it as directed. You might need to confirm the password by typing it in again. This step ensures you haven't made any typos. With your new password confirmed, your Calendly account's login preferences are now updated, making your account more secure than ever. To wrap things up, remember that maintaining the security of your online accounts is paramount in today's digital world. Changing your passwords regularly and using a unique password for each site can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Calendly has made it straightforward for you to update your password, and doing so ensures that your account remains your own, safeguarding your scheduling from any potential breaches. Thank you for following along with this guide. Security might not be the most exciting aspect of managing your online tools, but it's unquestionably one of the most important. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to get the most out of your digital experiences. Stay safe